in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move the address bar on the Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the View tab at the top and then select Customize Toolbar. And then on the top bar here, just drag the address bar wherever you want it to appear on the top toolbar, and then select Done to confirm or save if you want to move it around, basically. And that would be pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.